It's time for a sailing quiz. How many can you guess right? What is the term for the left side of a boat when facing forward?
Port,
What do sailors call a sudden and powerful gust of wind?
Squall.
Which of the following is not a type of sailboat? Galleon. What is the horizontal bar on a sailboat used to control the angle of the sail called?
Boom.
What is the term for the act of turning a sailboat around in the direction from which the wind is blowing? B. Jibbing. Which knot is commonly used by sailors to tie two ropes together? Square knot.